Spitalfields and Brick Lane aren't loud enough about how good they are, but they don't have to. You feel it before you see it. The smell, the noise, the mix of people moving around seamlessly with purpose. This area isn't about one cuisine, it's about culture overlapping. Generation of people bringing their food, their habits, their flavors, and building something real. You got bagel shops that never close because London actually never sleep. You got curry houses where the recipe never changed for decades because they don't need to. You've got market stalls where the menu barely matters because you know already what you want. You just point, trust, and eat. What makes this food different is that it's not trying to impress you. It's not actually thought and designed for photos or for Instagram or for this video. It's designed to be eaten quickly, repeatedly by people that actually live in this area. And that's why locals keep coming back. Why?
Because I want to buy everything.
Be strong, Pampo. So yes, we're going to the Spitalfields Market for lunch. We decided to take you to a food stand where they do pulled pork bagels, and I think, in my opinion, and in yours opinion also when you try it, it's probably one of the best pulled pork bagel you'll find in the whole London. So it's definitely worth a visit if you are in this area. And then after you had it, let me know if I was right or not. Place is called Dirty Bagel. Yeah, as I said, it was voted best bagel in London. There must be a reason for it. So what I got is pulled pork bagel with the spicy sauce. There is the version with cheese. You could add cheese, other stuff. You could have it in a flatbread rather than the bagel. I love the bagel.
Look at the milk tea. I got their signature milk tea. It looks delicious. It's the pork bun. Really crunchy pork with some onions, pepper sauce. So it's mild spicy.
With HOKO, we conclude today's video. This is really one of our favorite places in Brick Lane. If you're around the area, pay a visit to HOKO and try their amazing sandwiches. Subscribe if you want to experience London the way the locals do, through the streets, the food, and the moments most people miss. Subscribe, that's it. And well, until next time, arrivederci.